Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today Bank Nifty was extremely volatile on both the call and the put side, and it took support at exactly 44,500 levels as we predicted yesterday. Now let's see what we can expect from the market in the coming weeks. So before I start, I need to add two things. The first thing is budget is next week, and during the budget a lot of traders face their losses. So if you're new to the markets, or if you don't have a good hang of like backtesting during the budget, I would advise you to just like skip the next week, because like money saved is money earned. When there's going to be a very tough week in the next week, it's like the most important thing becomes you don't lose in that week. Because like how this week was very good for me, but I made a loss in the last week. Now this good week went in recovering that loss, so it's a pure waste of time. So we need to try to limit our mistakes. So number one, avoid the next week if you're new to the markets, or like play only with a 25% position sizing. Now the second thing I want to add is like how we are making these videos daily, the analysis turns out to be correct, and we have a fairly good accuracy while doing so. So yesterday I asked all of you to click the like button if it's helping you, and you guys did. So I would request the same. If our analysis and our logics do help you, please motivate us by hitting the like button, as this recommends video to more users, which basically boosts our videos and shows it to more people, which motivates us to make more and more videos again and again. And do keep a watch. This week I'll come out with a learning video. It's going to be a first educational video, so let's see whether you guys like it or not. Okay, so coming back to the markets, first we'll start with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty weekly time frame, we are waiting for a closing below 45,484. Now I think tomorrow is the last session for the week, so let's see if we do get the closing below the breakout candles low. Okay, that was for Bank Nifty. अगर ये कैंडल के नीचे क्लोजिंग आ जाती है तो हमारा पूरा का पूरा व्यू है वो बेरिश कर देंगे हम. Yeah, and one more thing I wanted to add is, some of you all, like if I do the video in Hindi, you ask me to do it in English. And if I do it in English, then most of the Hindi speakers, they want me to do it in Hindi. Now, I don't mind doing both, but what happens, I'll do the Hindi version and then the English version. Most of you will be watching only one half of the video. Either you'll watch the Hindi version or you'll watch the English version, which reduces the watch time hours, okay? So basically the YouTube algorithm then starts thinking that the viewers are disliking the video, which is why I have decided I'm going to be talking only in one language, and I'll try to make it like for both Hindi and English. Okay, yeah, so ये जो ब्रेकआउट कैंडल है वीकली में, उसके लो के नीचे हमको एक क्लोजिंग चाहिए. तो कल वीकली कैंडल क्लोजिंग है, तो लेट्स सी इफ वी डू गेट व्हाट वी वांट. ओके, इफ वी डू गेट इट, our bias is going to change based on tomorrow's closing for the week. Now if you do go and check yesterday's video of mine, and I would please request you to watch my yesterday's video, because I told you there's a seller here who sold, and that guy has to be challenged, and there's a buyer down. So this entire zone, so you're getting two zones. This is the first zone and two zones. So the range of the market is extremely big now, and you can't be trading this kind of a range. Okay, you need smaller ranges to basically have smaller stop losses. Now I told you in my yesterday's video, you might face a support somewhere near 44,500, and check today's low. Today's low is 44,489. okay, and also I added one more thing in yesterday's video. Since yesterday was a very extremely bearish candle, I would say like 95% of the people would be carrying call shorts. And yesterday the candle from the high to low point, it was 1700 points in profit. So what happens logically, if you think about it, if you're sitting with 1700 point profit, and on top of that you get a gap down of 500 points, what are you going to do? I'm like 95% sure most of the people are going to book their profits. Why? Because to get a 2000 pointer move into your direction, it doesn't happen every day. Okay, so that was the reason why we were expecting an up move. And if you check today's market, so the calls, let's say the calls which opened near 20 and all, okay, which was sold around 40, 50, 60, those calls again they spiked and they went up to 70 or 80. So from 20 to 80 to hold that call option becomes a very tough thing to do, which is why it's always better to book the profit for once. Because you never know, market can go up today. Today it went till 80, tomorrow probably it goes to 150. So if you're seeing the profit, you know, it's better to book it once in the current situation. Now on the daily, तो ये दो रेंज मिले थे डेली में, तो आज का नीचे का जो रेंज है वहां पे एक बुलिश कैंडल, मतलब उतनी भी ज्यादा बुलिश कैंडल नहीं है ये, पर एक ग्रीन कैंडल बनाई है मार्केट ने. एंड पिछले 2 दिनों में अगर आप यहां देखोगे 2090 पॉइंट्स का मूव हो गया है ऑलरेडी. So whenever this happens, market needs a breather. Okay, so what it does usually, it takes a 2 or 3 day pause before it like tells you whether it wants to go up or down. Now let's see on the 15-minute chart, you know, what can we expect from the market tomorrow based on if it opens flat, gap down or gap up. All 3 scenarios we'll cover. Okay, so the first scenario, let's think of a flat opening. So if the market opens flat tomorrow, I am expecting not too much downside, you know, on the lower side, because we already took support from here and it filled the gap on the daily charts. Okay, so I'm not expecting too much downside from here tomorrow. Now next, let's talk about the second possibility. The second possibility is that we open gap down. Okay, in case of a gap down, what will happen? See, there's already a 2000 pointer move on the downside. Okay, another gap down, surely, you know, market can't keep going down like by 1000 point down daily. Okay, somewhere or the other people book their profits and markets tend to become volatile. Like for example, today I was checking Twitter, a lot of people found today very difficult. So if it opens gap down, I'm expecting a volatile session tomorrow. So like similar to what, you know, what we had today. It can, you know, go below this and again come back inside the range. Something like this I'm expecting. I'm not expecting a ferocious down move. So to summarize, on a flat open, you know, I'm not expecting too much downside. Okay, and on a gap down, if it gaps down, I'll be waiting to trade the first 15-minute or the first 30-minute range. Now wherever the range breaks, I'll be positioning my trades accordingly, and most probably if it were a gap down, I would prefer to take trades on the upside then. It's a sell on rise market now, so on the rises, you know, we would prefer to sell calls. Far OTM calls you can sell. For example, yesterday around this closing, I was telling you to sell all these call options. Yesterday's day high, I told you it's going to be very tough for the market to take it out, so it was very decent and easy money today for in those calls. Now what do we do if it gaps up? अगर गैप अप होता है, मैंने कल के वीडियो में भी बताया, यहाँ से सब सेलर्स है, अच्छे अच्छे कैंडल है ये सब, यहाँ पे सब सेलर्स, रेजिस्टेंस फेस होएगा मार्केट में. तो अगर गैप अप होता है मार्केट में, तो जितना भी ऊपर जाता है हमेशा ये पॉज लेके ऊपर जाने वाला है, तो आपको ऐसा फेरोशियस अप मूव देखने का पॉसिबिलिटी थोड़ा कम है. तो अगर गैप अप होता है मार्केट में यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी, तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग एन इनसाइड कैंडल ले. अगेन ये पिछले 2 दिन का जो रेंज है ना, वो रेंज के अंदर ही मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग दोनों. इन विच केस आई थिंक स्ट्रैंगल्स विल रिवॉर्ड यू वेरी वेल टुमारो इफ इट गैप्स अप. अब सेम निफ्टी की बात करते हैं, तो निफ्टी में भी एक सेलर मतलब स्ट्रांग था पिछले दिन में, और आज के दिन में अच्छी बाइंग हुई है. ओके, तो कल की ओपनिंग के हिसाब से क्या कर सकता है मार्केट, लेट्स ऑब्जर्व. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ पे क्योंकि बाइंग हुई है ना, तो अगर गैप अप खुल जाता है कहीं पे भी, तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं कि वो 15 मिनट का रेंज एक फॉर्म होने दो, फिर वो 15 मिनट का नीचे का जो लोअर रेंज है अगर वो टूटता है, तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ डाउन मूव, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जिसने बाइंग की होगी वो अपना प्रॉफिट बुक करेगा नेचुरली, क्योंकि लाइक बेरिश मार्केट में अगर उनको 200-300 पॉइंट मिल रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है वो उनके लिए, तो वो लाइक नेचुरली अपना प्रॉफिट बुक करेगा और थोड़ा सा मार्केट नीचे आने के चांसेस ज्यादा है. फ्लैट ओपनिंग में भी मोर और लेस इन निफ्टी आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग द सेम थिंग. यहाँ पे नीचे एक सपोर्ट है और ओके ऊपर एक रेजिस्टेंस है, तो इसके अंदर ही ट्रेड होने का चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा है. सो लेट्स सी, फ्लैट और गैप अप में हमको लग रहा है कि इनसाइड कैंडल जो पिछले 2 दिन की है उसके अंदर होने का संभावना बहुत ज्यादा है. एंड ऑन द डाउन साइड इन निफ्टी, ये जो स्विंग्स है ना, ये देखो यहाँ से रिवर्स किया है यहाँ से, तो ये स्विंग को काटने के बाद एक छोटे टारगेट के लिए मतलब एक सेल हो सकता है, पर वो सेल मतलब जैसे आज वॉलेटाइल था कि नीचे जाता है फिर ऊपर आता है फिर वापस ऊपर से नीचे जाएगा, अगर वो नीचे खुलता है निफ्टी तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग ए वॉलेटाइल सेशन कल के लिए. एंड जस्ट अनदर वर्ड ऑफ कॉशन, आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन, अगर आपके पास कोई पोजिशनल ट्रेड्स वगैरह है तो ट्राई टू क्लोज देम बाय टुमारो, यू नो, बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट वीक probably could be volatile. So कल कोई overnight position लेके मत जाना. I think Sensex expiry also is tomorrow, and if I'll quickly tell you what I'm expecting in Sensex. Sensex में If it opens gap up and flat, I'm expecting an inside range. And if it takes out these swings, I'm expecting a volatile session tomorrow, which is जिसमें you should like basically just sell very far OTM options और कम रिस्क लेना अगर गैप डाउन में होता है तो अपना कंडीशन कब आएगा? अपना कंडीशन आएगा फ्लैट खुलता है या गैप अप खुलता है तो then we have higher chances of making money. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do comment if you like our videos. And 45% of you are not subscribed to this channel, so please click the subscribe button. As you know, we are going to come out with learning videos. One will come out over the weekend, and we'll start like putting them out as per like your reactions. So hit the bell icon and click the like button if it helped you in any way. Thank you for watching.